Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda Rebel 250 Cruiser. This lightweight twin-cylinder cruiser has been around for 35 years. Countless numbers of people have cut their teeth on this amazing little motorcycle. Super light, easy to handle, low seat height, fantastic first bike, and great for short commutes. Over 70 miles per gallon on this little 250 twin cylinder. Come by, check it out. Price to sell at just $29.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.